This video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble.
To my fans, Wethu TV, it's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by Umenier, Owetiski.
Sibos.
Yeah, sure.
Grand.
I'm not Umenier.
Right, see.
Tango Umenier?
Sise Pitoli, see.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, see. Asiqaleni lana, see. Kunento ethi quick football.
Yeah.
Means less touches.
Quick football means less touches.
Less touches means quick football.
Yeah.
Ingisa plento sibo ngisa ku Salezi ne?
Yes.
Salezi uya understand ukuthi the faster usebholeni ngama touches.
Yeah.
Team it's the more or it's the faster.
Yeah.
I progressa forward.
Yes.
The more touches oba nawo ebholeni, which means the team I progressa kanjani? I progressa slow.
Ngiyakubanga.
Ingisa plento sibo, ingisa egoleni lokuqala lika Rainers.
Yes.
Bonile igoli lokuqala bekusheshwa kanjani lapha?
Fast.
Because bewona ama touches abenjani abe less.
Yes.
Quick football means less touches means quick football.
Ngiyakubanga.
Salez Tembazwana baya understand lo. Alende baya understand lo.
That concept.
Ama touches abawaspend ebholeni awabi more than 3.
Yeah.
If uthi kuphaswe kabi mhlawumbe uyalungisa ngaleyo touch leyo bese yaphasa ama touches abawadlula ama touch amangaki ayi2. Because baya understand ukuthi kumele njani kumele bebesheshe because ngalesikhathi ubamba ibhola isikhathi eside ugaya iopponent i-opportunity ukuthi i-close it down in ama-passing channels okanye ama-passing lanes, which means lapho usuya-delay ukuthi ibhola yenze njani ukuthi ni-progress quickly. Sekufanele niqale phansi ni-rotate nibuyela kuphi nibuyele back. But if uthi ama-touches eni aba-quick niyakhona ukuthi nifike kulenye half igoli lokuqala lelo simo. You understand? Ora sibo ebholeni we have ama-pattern ne? Yes. Ama-pattern sibo izinto ezenzakalayo repeatedly egaming, izinto ezenzakalayo yini leyo AmaZulu into ebeyenza ngeFirst half abe allow yini Sundowns ukuthi isondele kubona bese beshiya ama-cheaters ayi3 closer to isense. Why? Because bebe understand ukuthi Sundowns inama-challenges kuma-fullbacks. Why ngithi Sundowns inama-challenges kuma-fullbacks? Kulenye game uqala upasa dini kwi-right back bamkhipha nge-half time. Today iqale bani? Iqale uMdunyele. Yes. I-left back iqale bani? Iqale Divine Lungu. Ngesecond half kwangena ba?
Mkhumbuli mara.
Bengasiyi-op.
O-Aubrey Ndiba ya.
Lonto yakutshela ukuthi kunama-challenges nyana sakhona laphana kwi-fullback. So AmaZulu abetargethe ama-fullback because first half bebedlala esayidini lika-Divine Lungu. Bebedlala esayidini lika-Divine Lunga because i-rest defense bayayibona i-Sundowns ayikho stronger kwi-rest defense kuleli side laka-left. Ingakho ubone AmaZulu e-create lama-chances abhayi bekwa-create nini nge-first half. And then i-Sundowns fortunately AmaZulu abewamisa lawo ma-chances la. Second half bashintsha bangaya esayidini lika-Modiba because babonisa uModiba u-stronger than like ngokwe-game plan yabo bezoba strong uModiba then uDivine Lungu bashintsha batarget side labantu batarget uMdunyele. Ingakho lama chance abawatholile igame isizophela because abeqhamuka kuleli side laka right. I-war I think uKhadosi war kumele abe nayo i-Sundowns bayakhona ukuthi beyishaye ngama-passes behind i-defense and ama-team abhekile. Ucheck ama-chance acreatwe AmaZulu today wonke lawo ma-chance abebuya kuphi abekudlala kufike kudlale lawo bonganzuku nabo extend bese belupha ibhola beluphe behind Sibo. So kumele beyicheck leyo nto leyo
going forward.
Yes, sengivala Sibo. Quick football means less touches means quick football.
Thank you Minier.